Good self-care is very important for patients with chronic diseases. They can take responsibility for their own health. Electronic devices are useful little helpers here, as Mr. Peik Schulman from Modz Oy knows. Mr. Schulman, what role does e-health play in the care for diabetes and other chronic diseases?
Well, e-health is going to change the world, and it's doing it right now. Basically, people living at home, doing self-care, they will now be connected to the caregivers and to the doctors, so the whole process will be optimized. And for instance, doctors can call only the patients needing really assistance for doctor visits and leaving the other patients home because they're doing well. They can check the results online. It's really about cost savings.
Your equipment for diabetes self-care is designed to appeal to children. Where did this idea come from?
So the idea comes from the fact that there were no devices designed for children. So there were toothbrushes, different equipment. But in healthcare generally, and especially in the diabetes, there were no devices for children. And children have a specific problem. They don't want to measure. They are they feel different when they have a weird device they need to measure the blood with. It's boring. So the whole motivational thing, the idea came from that you need to motivate the child, you need to have a cool looking device, and you need to help the child to understand the disease. All this is designed and implemented into this device. The security for parents, knowing how the child is doing, the motivational thing that really makes the child want to measure because they get points, it's like a game-like feature, and so on. And then we also show the results in different color codes so the child understands, is this a good result or a bad result? So you actually start to understand your disease.
Why did you choose to present your company here at MEDICA?
We choose to come to MEDICA because it's one of the most important trade shows here in Europe, where you actually meet potential customers, you meet potential partners like distributors, and you can meet your component providers to manufacturers. They're all here at one place.